the Viva Naturals Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, 100% pure, 16 ounces here in this jar. This is really great stuff. It has a lot of diverse uses. Coconut oil is used for a lot of different things, cooking, baking. What I use this for, I use it for a process called oil pulling. That's where you take a tablespoon of the coconut oil, you put it in your mouth, and you swish it around for anywhere between 5 and 20 minutes. If you're unfamiliar with oil pulling, definitely want to check it out online. It's got a lot of good benefits, lots of good dental care for oil pulling. Coconut oil, in my opinion, is the best oil to use for that. And this one here is cold pressed and unrefined. This is just really great stuff here. You open it up here, you could see it looks like it's a solid paste here. After it hits a certain degree, it does liquefy. So it's really great. This is one of the better ones that I've used. I've used a lot of different coconut oils, and we do cook with coconut oil as well. We moved away from seed oils, and we're cooking with coconut oil, some avocado oil, but this specific brand here I'm using for the oil pulling. Basically, just 1 tablespoon. You just put it in your mouth, swish it around. Like I said, I usually do it for about 20 minutes, but some people do 5 to 20 minutes, and it just has a tremendous amount of benefit. So definitely want to check this out. It's the Viva Natural Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. Really nice item here. If you're looking to use this for cooking or baking, the nutrition profile is on here. 130 calories, 32 servings, 14 grams of fat, no carbohydrates. Just really great stuff here. And you definitely want to check and make sure you get the cold pressed and unrefined one. Highly recommend this brand.